Come around the world with Rebekah.
That's me.
Let's go around the world with Rebekah.
Still me.
And we will see how alike and different we are. From near and far, all around the world with Rebekah.
That's me. Hello, my friends. My name is Miss Rebekah with the Shaler North Hills Library. That's Miss Ingrid behind the camera.
Hello.
My friends, welcome to Around the World with me, Miss Rebekah. So, we have
I'm so excited.
So far, we have gone to Iraq.
Yep.
We have gone to Ireland.
Now,
and just a reminder, this is where we are.
Yes.
So we're here. We went to Iraq.
We took a boat. Remember we did that?
Yep, we went to Ireland.
We flew.
And now, here we are. And we're going to go.
Are we flying or boating? I think we're boating. There we are.
We're in Nigeria today.
And now I'm going to do a close-up because I wanted to show like the whole world. And it's interesting. Another thing we discovered while doing this is that the world is flat.
That is not true. We are not spreading misinformation on the show Around the World with Miss Rebekah. So, Miss Ingrid, please contain yourself.
Okay. Well, there is Nigeria. We can see it right there. On the continent of Africa. Dude, so
we are over here in North America. So we have traveled to Asia. We have traveled to Europe.
Yep.
And now we've traveled to Africa.
So we've been in 4 of the 7 continents. Yes. Which are different from continents.
Yes.
My
friends, today we are traveling to Nigeria.
Here we are. He looks like a really happy, fun guy.
He does?
Yes.
Nigeria by Rachel Ann Cantor. Like all of our books, this is a table of contents letting us know what is inside of the book.
Nice.
This is Nigeria. It is warm, it is busy, and it is full of life.
And look, she's flashing the peace sign, which is cool. Like it's universal.
It is indeed. My friends, Nigeria is a country in Western Africa. More than 190 million people live there. See, there it is.
Wow.
Nigeria has more people than any other African country. Because, see, here's the whole continent of Africa, this big shape, but all these different colored spots are countries. Just like how here's North America, but there's United States as a country, Mexico as a country, Canada as a country.
That's cool. You know, one country that people might have heard of or thought about a lot, because you study this a lot in school, is Egypt, and that's in Africa.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's Egypt. You think of mummies and pyramids.
Right.
Boom. Africa.
Yeah.
The capital of Nigeria is Abuja, a place of worship in Abuja. However, Lagos is the country's largest city. Lagos is the biggest city in all of Africa. So Nigeria has a lot of big things in it. Yeah. More than 21 million people live in Lagos. Some areas of Nigeria have dense forests. That means like really deep forests. In other places, there are flat plains. Rivers twist and turn through the land. Zuma Rock is a huge rock that's shaped like a dome. It's near Abuja. Look how big that is.
That's pretty big.
Look at that little car. I love when a picture makes you be able to understand kind of just how big something is when they show scale.
Yeah.
When I was little, I loved the books that showed dinosaurs or big creatures, and then they'd show like the silhouette of a little person. So it'd be like, whoa, that's so big. Amazing wild animals live in Nigeria. Eagles soar through the sky. Crocodiles and hippos swim in rivers. And this is pretty cool. Nigeria is home to more than 1,000 types of butterflies.
Wow.
People have lived in Nigeria for thousands of years. The Nok people settled there about 2,000 years ago. They made beautiful clay sculptures. This is an example of a Nok clay sculpture. The Nok people also made iron tools. They were among the first groups in the whole world to do so. Long ago, African kings ruled in Nigeria. Then, in the late 1800s, England took control. In 1960, Nigeria became an independent country. But before they became an independent country, starting in the late 1400s, Nigerians were captured, stolen as slaves. They were sent to Europe and the Americas. Every year on October 1st, Nigerians celebrate their freedom. English is Nigeria's main language, so if you went over to Nigeria, you would understand everybody and they would understand you. Other languages such as Hausa and Igbo are spoken too. This is how you say hello in Hausa. Sanu. Sanu. This is how you say hello in Igbo. Kedu. Kedu. Many different groups of people live in Nigeria. Together, they speak more than 500 languages. That's a lot.
Yes.
Nigerian food is delicious. Ogbono soup is thick and spicy. I like spicy, not everybody does. It's made from the seeds of ogbono, a mango-like fruit.
That looks really good.
Shuku shuku are sweet coconut balls. I don't really care for the flavor of coconut. I like the smell in the summertime. Zobu is a drink made from red flowers.
I don't know if I would like that.
I know.
I would
wouldn't
try
because
it,
looks like
but
there's little seeds.
Yeah.
And I tried to drink once from Starbucks. It had something to do with dragon fruit, and there were seeds in it, or like
yeah.
if I'm drinking a liquid, it needs to be
Seedless.
liquid.
Yeah. Now, how do you feel about orange juice with pulp?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Okay. All right.
No.
Cool.
Even I get pulp-free orange juice,
that.
and sometimes you shake it up good and you pour it, and you're like,
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna run this through a strainer.
pulp-free?
Mm-hmm.
I won't drink it, but you should drink it. There are many festivals in Nigeria. During the Eyo festival in Lagos, men dress in long white robes. They dance to honor their ancestors. An Eyo dancer wears a hat called an iket.
That's pretty cool.
Fashion is very important to many Nigerians. Some women wear a folded head wrap or gele. Geles are often very colorful. That looks very fun.
Some people at my church often wear geles.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Ankara is a type of fabric with bright, bold designs. It's worn throughout Nigeria. I enjoy colors, so that seems very nice. What's the most popular sport in Nigeria and the whole world? Except for the United States? Soccer, or as they call it, football. Other sports are popular too. The Hausa people are known for dambe. It's a type of boxing. Dambe boxers fight with one fist wrapped in cloth or rope. I would prefer to play soccer. Nigeria has a huge movie industry. It's called Nollywood.
That's so cool.
Like how in America it's called Hollywood with an H as in hat. Theirs is called Nollywood, N as in Nigeria. Around 1,000 movies are made in Nigeria each year. Genevieve Nnaji is a famous Hollywood actress. She has starred in more than 75 movies.
Wow.
Fast facts. Capital city, Abuja. Population of Nigeria, more than 190 million people. Main languages, English, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, and Fulani. Their money is called a naira. Major religions, Islam and Christianity. Neighboring countries are Cameroon, Chad, Niger, and Benin. So we have Benin.
There it is.
We have Cameroon.
Yeah.
We have Chad. And we have Niger.
Nice.
Now, cool fact. Nigerian farmers grow a lot of cocoa beans. Cocoa beans are used to make yummy chocolate. Now, let's go over some of the glossary terms. Ancestors, relatives who lived a long time ago. Capital, we know this one, we read it in every book. The city where a country's government is based. Independent, free of control by others. Industry, a kind of business that includes many different companies.
Miss Rebekah, I just thought of this. Do you remember the capital of Iraq and the capital of Ireland?
Dublin is Ireland, and Basra, is that Iraq? No, Baghdad.
Baghdad. Okay,
Baghdad.
okay. I couldn't remember.
Yes,
I didn't even
Baghdad.
remember Dublin. Cool.
Yeah. So that's fun. So my friends,
That was fun.
we just learned about Nigeria, which is pretty cool because there's just so many places out there and we don't know anything about
I
them.
know.
Like, I know Ohio's our next door neighbor, but my goodness, it's good to know all of our neighbors too.
Yeah.
So, while we were learning about Nigeria, we learned about some animals, some hippopotamuses, eagles, and boom, over 1,000 kinds of butterflies are in Nigeria, if you remember that little factoid.
Yep.
So, I thought maybe we'd read just a little bit about butterflies. Here
Sounds
we go.
good.
Yep. National Geographic for Kids presents Caterpillar to Butterfly by Laura Marsh. And once again, a nonfiction book, just like our Nigeria, we have a table of contents that tells us what all is in the book. Here's a riddle, my friends. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? A butterfly! You're right! Beautiful butterflies. My friends, butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns, too. Look how beautiful they are.
And those aren't clothes. Like, they're natural like that. It's not makeup either. That was a true fact.
4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. 1, the egg.
Which looks like an ear of corn.
It does. 2, a caterpillar. Or it looks like a little water balloon shaped like a grenade.
Yeah, it does.
Number 3, I don't know if they make those anymore. Number 3, chrysalis. Whoop. Number 4, butterfly. This is a monarch butterfly. Stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food. Caterpillar food, that is. This is a Malayan egg fly butterfly. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. Look at all this
Whoa,
different
that's
shapes.
crazy.
That really is. See, and they're so tiny. Like, my friends, if you're out playing or just hanging out outside and there's something on a leaf, you have no idea what it is. So it's always so good to be just gentle, gentle, gentle. Because what if there's a bunch of little butterfly eggs on that leaf? But that doesn't mean you don't play. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg and crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too.
Somebody should write a book about a very hungry caterpillar.
I think somebody did. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. See, there's its old skin. Isn't that kind of wild?
Oh, that is cool.
The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. Stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now, the butterfly ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Time for lunch. My friends, a butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. The butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube in its head works like a straw. Cool butterfly facts. The world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It's the length of a pushpin from wing to wing.
What?
Butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. There are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the whole world. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. The world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing.
What about that one butterfly that's as big as a small Chevy?
What butterfly is that?
The big butterfly. It's about as big as a Chevy.
I don't know what
Camaro.
you're talking about. Did you just make that up, Ingrid?
I just made it up.
Should you be making things up in a factual program?
No.
Back off!
Oh.
Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Some hide using camouflage.
You can hardly see that.
Because it's camouflage.
And it's natural. Like, you didn't have to buy it at Walmart.
Some can be deadly to eat. And look at this.
That is crazy.
Some look like other things.
That is crazy.
Now, you may be asking yourself, Miss Rebekah, though, sometimes I see some things and I don't know if it's a moth or a butterfly. Well, here's some tips in moth or butterfly. Moths and butterflies look alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. A butterfly. The antennae are thin and have little knobs at the end. A moth. Their antennae slim to a point and look like feathers. Butterfly. Bodies are slender. Moth. Bodies are fat and furry. Butterfly can be brightly colored. Moth, usually brown, tan, or white. Butterfly, mostly fly during the day. Moth, mostly fly at night. Bring butterflies to you, my friends. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden, but first ask an adult for help.
That is so cool. That's fascinating.
So, my friends, today we journeyed to Nigeria. We'll recap. We've been to Nigeria. We've been to Ireland. We've been to Iraq. And this is where we are.
Here we are.
Where will we go next time?
We went around the world with Rebekah.
That's me.
We went to Nigeria. We went around the world with her. We learned some things about rocks and things and butterflies.
Zuma rock.
We went around the world with Rebekah.
See you next time, my friends.
Where are we going?
I forget.
It's exciting. We just don't know. It's going to be awesome.
I realized in the middle of our journey to Nigeria, I forget where we're going next time.
But that kind of makes it more exciting.
Yeah, tune in to find out. Bye!